Alright guys, so YouTube has taken down our video, but I have to leave, so this is gonna be a very quick market update. Let's jump into it. Before I do, disclaimer, not financial advice. You do whatever you want to do, do your own research, all the stuff that, okay, so nothing we do here is financial advice. YouTube, please stop taking down our videos. I think this should be clear. I think this is gonna help YouTube also recognize that this is not financial advice. Okay, let's get going. So one of the most important things is, this is what I drafted yesterday on yesterday's update, and I said that we are going to have a pullback down here to the 3.31 trillion. This is exactly what's happening now. Or happened here. We did have this this pullback down here, but then on the update today that YouTube banned, I actually drafted that we're gonna get a pull all the way down here to the 3.28. That is what's happening now. So unfortunately, YouTube took our videos down. You were not aware before it happened, but this is literally the recording that I had here, and I tried to explain that is what I think is going to happen. So what I believe is happening is that the market structure is beautiful here. So you can look at this low, the high, the low, the high, and then this whole leg needs a 50% retrace and a higher high formed. That is what's happening in my opinion. There are two scenarios. One is that we needed to, this is why this was here, we needed to close above here and then confirm the reversal, or we're just going to continue to bleed down, which is unfortunately exactly what's happening. We do have a rejection here, and I try to post it in the community, even though you could not see the video. I said that as I explained, 50% position closed on my long position here, because we do have this close below here, this 15-minute market structure shift or 5-minute market structure shift. So what I think is going to happen, I genuinely believe that because this is happening on London, New York is most likely going to pump. So this leg is still a 50% retrace. This leg is intact. Therefore, I believe that this here is going to be, this will hold. That means we're probably going to come a little bit lower, consolidate, chop, and then go higher. I am definitely going to layer back into my positions if I see a 5-minute market structure shift. I'm going to update you on the Telegram. There is a link in the description. It's the community that I'm running. You can join in if you would like to. Again, nothing is financial advice. Nothing is financial advice. Do your own research. But if you want to join in, you can do that. But I do think that we are going to bounce here. Invalidation is a close below the 3.24 trillion. I want to see that not happen. But that's the truth. As I explained yesterday in the show, we are rejecting from a 1-hour OB. The only difference is that it's not rejecting very hard. It is rejecting in an elevator up, stairs down. And again, as I drafted here yesterday, I think that's very cool. If you haven't seen that video, we're going to put it up. Go and check that out. This is what I'm doing. Guys, unfortunately, I'm in a rush, but this is what YouTube did to us. So that is what's happening. Please make sure that nothing is financial advice that I do. Nothing is financial advice. And do your own research and do that, and then just come back for another one tomorrow. Hopefully we'll have a normal and better update. Check out this video. This is the one before, this is the one from yesterday, so you can see a much more in-depth explanation, and you can click here to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Nothing is financial advice. Nothing is financial advice. Take care.